Today is Thursday, 2nd of June 2022, and we're going to do a session review because I've done trading for tonight. First, we look at Forex Factory calendar. So, at my time zone, we have this ADP non-farm employment change at 8:15 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. we have unemployment claim. So we have green unemployment claim and red US non-farm employment change. So these two news for USD tonight. This one is orange and this one is red. Red and red mean the USD is getting weak. So we expect as a result, gold was strong tonight. But let's rewind the session and see how I do my session analysis. So let's go back at 5 p.m. when I come to the chart. I come to the chart around 5 p.m. today. As yesterday we tried to short gold, however we have taken 3 losses and it has been a significant loss to us. So today we're gonna have a new analysis to see the direction of the market. I'm gonna get rid of all this zone first because I was adding it as my trading session going. So let's look at H4. In H4 we change to line chart and we can see that I marked all the significant support and resistance level, which is this one over here. There was sorry, I think this one here. There is where's the line? There's supposed to be a level here. I think it got deleted accidentally over here. Then this one. So this is the H4 SNR level, and then we move to H1 and we change to candlestick. Then we mark the SND zone in H1, which is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so after we done that, we go to M15 for entry. So the first trade that was present that I was aiming at that time was this trade, because this is basically, if we look at the higher time frame, is a rally based rally setup. So I was placing a long here, waiting for the price to come back here at this level. I put my stop below the demand zone here, and I was targeting this SNR level over here on top of this zone. Okay, so this trade will give me 1.25 R, which is good enough. Then I went to the gym, and when I come back around 7 o'clock, I see price is making this. So as you can see here, our trade plan here is already failed or missed, because price already reached our TP target. So 7, yeah, I was home around 6:45. So I see this candle is forming at that time. This candle is still forming. So this is the first trade. So I cancel this first trade, and then I put up a next trade, which is this one. I put it at the top of this M15 rally based rally zone, which is this one, and I put my stop down here. So this stop is quite big. It's like 50 pips. So I have to aim very high to get a good risk reward. So first I was aiming here, which gave me 1.74. If I use $100, they'll give me $170. And yeah, this trade, this is an instant trade. Okay, rally based rally zone here, instant trade. And at this time it was 6:45, and then it went to profit, then keep rejecting this zone over here, and then it range and start to break low, as you can see here, before NYC open at 7:45ish. It really ranged, and then it went up and make a bearish pin bar, which is something that we don't want to see because we have long this trade. Then this even bigger pin bar appear, then price just tanked all the way down here. So there's something happened down here, so it's good that we put the stop really down here, else it would have taken our stop and this trade would have been a loser. And when I saw this, I know this is a demand zone, and I was going into the low time frame, look at possible entry, because as long as this candle doesn't break this demand zone, right, this one over here, that means the price is still bullish. Plus the overall direction for today is really bullish, like daily is bullish, H4 is bullish, and also H1 is bullish. So I look at this base drop candle formation, and what I did is I actually place a buy stop over here at this level. So my stop is the same over here, and my TP target is the same. So at this point of time, I have two trade running for gold. Okay, then I'll go back to M15, and I need to adjust this one. Okay, so this is trade number 1, this is trade number 2. I took it at 1. Let me see, the second trade was not this one, this one is around, so it's around 152ish. Okay, it's around 152ish, somewhere around here, 15275. Yes, I remember it, 15275 here. So this is the trade, and if this go to take profit, it's gonna give me $350. Okay, so this trade was this buy stop was triggered pretty fast when this candle make a rejection, and as you can see here, price make a high and straight away break this high of this candle and close like this. Then it continued to go up after that. So something happened when this candle print, right? I was checking the chart, and I saw there's a SNR level there, and I start to see the price is rejecting, so it go up and it reject here. At this time was around 9 p.m. So at 9 p.m. price will move really fast. After that it will make a rejection. So what I did is, which is something I shouldn't do, I've been trying not to do this, but I keep doing it. I'm a bit disappointed with myself as well. So I moved this to I think the candle make a pullback, then I closed both trade here. So as you can see here, I got 240 from here, and I got 100, less than 100. I remember it's less than 100 from here. So this is the second and the third trade close at the same time. So in the journal, let me look at the exact profit I got. So the first one is $73, and the second one was $265. So I closed both trade, and which I should have just leave it to reach the top of the zone here, which was my initial TP target, and let's see how it goes. So this candle print, then you see it make a rejection to the low side and print above this SNR level to the middle of the zone, and the next candle just boom break above the above my initial TP target, which was here. Else I would have made 350 plus 175. So there's like almost $500, but at the end I just make half of that. So that is my frustration for tonight. Although it's a winning day, but I really should not touch the trade ever again. Okay, so that's the lesson for today. So this is the trade that we took today. The first one is cancelled because it's missed. Second one, profit, and the third one also profit, which I unfortunately closed earlier, and you can see the price move right after we close the trade all the way down here. As you can see here, we only take the movement is only the take profit was only like how to say, half of the full movement, at least half of the full movement of the candle for tonight. So I'm gonna keep remind myself not to close the trade because closing it will cause a lot of anxiety, and this kind of thing will always happen. Although it's reject the zone or whatnot, it doesn't matter. If you reject and come back all the way to stop loss, so be it. But during the trade itself, sometime I'll forget about this kind of thing. Alright, so that's all. See you again tomorrow, and bye bye.